Hi everyone. From this video we will start the new course entitled PowerPoint 2019 from zero to expert. So I hope just to start now with zero from in the first class or first video. So you just try to click on the new to create a new Microsoft PowerPoint or presentation. So you can name it anything. By example, I can name it by my name. Double click to open it. In the Word we have pages, in the Excel we have sheets, here in PowerPoint we have slides. So from beginning, from start, so we have in the file, for example, home, new to create a new PowerPoint, open to open a current PowerPoint if you have anything here. From information, you can protect your file as we explained in the Word, for example, and Excel, same thing. You can protect by using a password. You can save the file from here, or you can save as the file, so you can change the position, change the name, change the type of the file. From export, for example, you can export your file as a PDF, or you can just from here from save as and try to save it as PDF file or any type of file. From home, everything exactly or almost like Word, but we have here, for example, a new slide. So in the new slide we have many designs of slides. For example, I can create the first slide here, then again create the second slide, and then I can create the empty or blank slide from here. So the first slide, of course, you can write anything you want. For example, I can write here or just academic computing here, and of course you can change everything. For example, select here and they can change the size like a word, change the type of the font size, font type. You can make it bold, italic, and underline if you want. I can change the color of the font to other color. You can change the background, for example, to this background. So you can do anything. You can make it alignment from here or here as you want. Here I can write my name, for example, or anything you want. So everything from here, it is very easy to do that. Copy and paste, of course, like Excel, Control C, Control V, or just right click and copy and paste from here. So you can just right click or just go here to copy, cut, paste, copy the format. For example, go here and then copy the format and then paste it here if you want. Here in the second one, I can also write here a topic 2, for example, and here in this design from a new slide, I can add a table, for example, from here. Just say OK to add a table. Control Z to return back. From here, you can add a chart. So you can just select the chart and you can add it directly from here. Don't need to go to insert. But of course, it's better to go to insert to do that. Here I have this chart that's connected already with Excel. So you can change the data from here, Excel file, and then apply it in the PowerPoint. And you can create, for example, pictures. You can add pictures, images. You can add like a smart art from here, anyone from here, or everything you can do it from insert as well. So you can add a table from insert like Word. You can add the pictures from your device locally, or from internet. You can just go online and add a picture from the internet, connect to the internet, and then here you can try to find any picture about anything, computer, for example, or anything you want. So you can just select any picture like this one and insert the picture from the internet directly in your slide. From insert also we have the very important things, which is the shapes here. So you can add any type of shape. So for example, here you can go to another slide, the third slide here, and then go to shapes, and they can add shapes from here. So I can add this one, for example, and then I can add another one as well, like sun from here. Everything from just insert. You should just go to insert and then shape, and you can see the sun, the moon, the cloud, and the heart, or anything you want just from here. Now in order to change the background color of the slide, all slide, just you can right click on the slide and then format background, and you can see here from here you can change the background color solid color. So you can add any color from here, or you can add another types of colors from here, for example, or you can add a picture like insert here. You can go to the picture from internet or from anywhere, or pattern or from picture you can add like this here, for example texture and something like that, and you can apply to all, so can apply this background to all slides in my presentation. Also in each shape here or each object, anything inside the slide is called object. So this one is object, the picture is object, and the text is object, and so on. So this object, I can click on it or click on any object. I will find the something called format here. This format is associated with the object, so just for the object. If you go out you cannot see it, but just click on the object and then you can see the format here. So in the format you can change the design from here, like a built-in designs, you can add it here, or you can just working by yourself from here, change the color. So I can change the color to the yellow, and then here we have outline or like a border, so you can make the border from here, change the width of the border, so you can make it like this. As you can see, there's a border here. Also you can change the color of the border, or you can say no border to delete the border, or you can go to dashes to add a dash border like this. For example, I don't need a border, so just no border here. This works for any shape. Also we have effects, so you can add some effects to your shape. For example, this effect to the sun, as you can see, if you just go here, effect, so you can select any effect you want, for example this one. Also we have shadow, to add some shadow if you need, like this. For example, we have a reflection, to add reflection like you can see here, and the glow to make it like more shiny, like this one, or any type of a glow you can select it. You can make it, of course, the bevel here, you can change it in this way, or you can make it a 3-dimension like this. Everything from, you can click on the object and then go to format, and you can find everything here. Also I can make the object in the foreground and the background. Now this one in the foreground, I need to make the sun in the background, for example, of this object. So you can just go here and go to format, and here we have forward or backward, or you can just by right click and then bring to back, this already in the back, or bring to front, so you can, now it is in the front. We can group here. So for example, I have two objects and I need to make a group for those objects. So here, for example, I can just create a new slide here, and just very quickly I'll try to add like a simple home here. So I can just select that here, click here, and then go to shape again, insert, and then go to the here. So you can add something like that. Then I can add something like windows or something, anything you want, of course. Copy paste, or just hit control, stealth control, and then drag to add to. Now if you want to select two objects, so this one and this one in the same time, so you should click here, click in the one object, and still using mouse holding, click on the mouse, still click on the control on the keyboard, and at the same time click here, so you can select two objects and then change the color here. Same thing here, I can click, I need to make this one as a one group, so you can click here and then press control in the keyboard and click here in the same time, and click here and click here. After that you can go to group to make it a group, or in the keyboard just control G in the keyboard to make it as just one group. So now I have just one group here. I can make ungroup here or destroy the groups, so just go here again and ungroup from here. So you can do everything like that here. Also I can add like some type of transparency to the object. From here, click on the object and then right click and format shape from here, and you can find the transparency. For example, you can add it, you can change, as I explained before, you can change the outline, change the width of outline, I mean, like this, change the color and so on. You can add a picture as a background or add the texture as a background to the object as well. In the text, for example, in the insert, I need to insert the text, so you can just go to text box here and insert any text you want, and you can write anything you want. And of course there's also like a shape. You can access the format and you can change the color, the background color, and so on just from here. So you can go to format and you can change it like a shape here. Same thing. So this is almost everything. If you have design here, we can change the design of all the presentations. So you can change the design like this, for example, and here you can change the colors as well from here of the design. Transitions and animation I will explain it in the next lectures. Slideshow, here you can just from beginning start a slide, or from current just start from current slide, or start from beginning, so the first slide here. Or you can custom slide, for example you can choose any from which slide I need to start. So it's nothing very important. Of course, in order to start your presentation, you should go here to slideshow to start your presentation, or you can press F5 in the keyboard to start from beginning, from the first slide. We have review here. It's not very important, but you can see we have the language, we have something to check the accessibility, check the language if it's correct or not. Here the view, you can view your presentation in this way or in this way or in this way. You can change the presentation view or the view of your presentation, or just normal like this. Also view direction from left to right, or you can make it from right to left, so it will be like this, or left to right as you want. Just from here you can make a zoom, you can change the colors, make it like just black and like this colors. View also from view, as I said. So this everything, almost everything about PowerPoint. Of course you can delete anything by just click on it and hit the backspace in the keyboard. You can delete everything. So you can, for example, I need to delete the slide, so you can click on the slide and this one and click on the backspace, or you can just right click as well and say delete the slide. So that's almost everything about the basics of PowerPoint. After that we will start with animations, transitions and animations, and some try to apply some advanced animations in the using just PowerPoint. I hope you understand that, and thank you very much.